video, you'll learn how to make loops in Python. So let's say you want to print 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This would be kind of easy if you were just doing it with 2 things, but if you want to do it if you want to have a user input and say all of the numbers up to n, you can't do this because if the user gives like 1,000, then if you just put like an if statement for each print statement, you probably won't be able to fill up like all of them because that would probably be impossible. But anyways, while loops depend on a boolean or a comparison. So while true is a boolean, we just have this print hello world infinite times. See, you can see the sidebar just scrolling, but we can make a variable, and so while n is less than 11, so this will print out all of the numbers 0 to 10. So, oh right, I forgot. But before that, you have to increment n. The plus equals sign, I don't know if I showed you this, but it's pretty much just with any operator, like minus, times, even powers, and divisions, and also integer divisions. But we'll use plus equals. So here's what it outputs: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we could do that thing I showed you in the first example, and that took 10 lines, and do it in 4. We can do even more, and we can do n up to, we'll just make a variable up to int and set that to whatever the user gives. Up to is, so let's say and then up to. So let's say we pick 1, that'll just be nothing because n is already 1. And if we pick like 100, it'll go all the way to 99 because, yeah. So that's, this can, and if you go to high numbers, you can't imitate this with recursion because you would just get a recursion error. But you can't imitate recursion with while loops. For example, the Fibonacci just generate that just generates one Fibonacci. If n is less than 2, return 1. Yep. And then if not, it returns fib n minus 1 plus fib n minus 2. You can't make this. You can't make this in with while loops, but you can do like but you can imitate like something like this with while loops, and that's pretty much everything, I think. And that's it for the video, and see you in the next one.